quite a remarkable achievement, and I remember walking on this site on about 1st of April, and I think there was a coffee van and a lot of Kia construction workers, and we took over ownership. They completed their work on the 22nd of April, so it has been quite a phenomenal achievement. On Thursday we had the assurance visit to sign it off as a fully functioning hospital. So it's been an incredible story. There's a lot of thought gone into the design and the layout of the building, in fact, which I think was time well spent. So there is a reception area where patients are greeted and brought in. Each of the areas where patients are treated, if they're ventilated, is spacious, it's well laid out, it's beautifully clean, it's bright, there are some beautiful pictures in there. So we're trying to create as positive environment as possible, and also space for families and also facilities for staff out of the hospital, but also to have breaks. So it's a pretty good hospital actually for 3 weeks, and the finishes are incredibly high quality. The clinical model here is based on those patients have been selected by the feeder hospitals across the 7 network as patients who do require ventilation but who are otherwise straightforward in their conditions. And when those critical care units are starting within 72 hours to look like they're filling up, that's the point at which they will transfer patients into the Nightingale Hospital. And we'll be reviewing that on a 24-hour basis. Yes. So I think what's been helpful here is that this is specified up to the highest level of care, and it is much easier to step it down than it is to do go the other way. So we're pleased we've got intensive care facilities because they're not the sort of thing you can quickly mobilise under pressure, and also to relieve the anxiety from staff. We could step it down. Many patients with COVID require oxygen, for example, and this hospital has a fantastic oxygen supply. So I think it has multiple uses as we go through the next few months. Yeah. So what we've done is worked out our staffing model on the basis of how many staff we need per 6 beds. And then we built up from 6 beds to 30 beds to 60 beds to 90 beds. So we know what the multiples of staffing are for each of those number of beds to open. And we know what the skills are that we need and the range of staff, and we already now have names of staff who would be the first to come forward, and some of those are being trained this week. So we have started to envisage that we would be ready to start to care for example, the first 6 patients or the first 30. So this hospital is really serving all of the hospitals in Yeovil, Somerset, Bristol, Weston, Bath, Gloucester and Swindon. And the staff will come from those hospitals and they'll train here together. Much of what they're doing here is the same as they are doing in their own hospitals. And they'll start to work together in new teams, as I've said, in a paperless hospital. So hopefully it's easy for everybody to work with the same system. And I hope that there'll be some benefits of actually working together alongside each other.
Yes, certainly. The Nightingale Hospital Bristol has been designed as a 300-bedded ventilated unit. So it's been designed to care for those patients who require that specialist level of critical care. I think the decision was made in line with what we were being told when the start of the pandemic happened, and clearly there were lots of lessons being learnt from other countries, and looking at the modelling, it identified a need for, if you like, an insurance for a number of critical care beds. So with that in mind, and bearing in mind that this facility serves the population right down to Yeovil to Gloucestershire, so it was designed to provide that specialist level of care beds. These are patients that are critically ill and they require a specialist level of intensive care. So in the main they will be on ventilators, and staff will be providing the same standard of care as they are in any one of the provider trusts that we will be taking patients from. So that high level of specialist critical care. There is national guidance on how we best care for patients within this specialist unit, and we call it the 1 to 6 model, and and within that 1 to 6 model there are a lot of support staff. So we know that there are staff with the right skills, they've got the right specialism to provide the care that's needed. There aren't any patients in at the moment, and as you've just seen, we've literally just opened today. We are ready to take patients if that's needed. The design of the hospital is such that it can be adapted as it needs to meet the demands of the NHS. So we're here and ready if that level of assurance is required.